Today we're going to be discussing this woman from Florida who gets in a hit and run and heads home and tries to hide out in her home.
Ma'am, step out the vehicle so I can speak with you, ma'am.
What?
But just step out the vehicle so I can talk to you.
Back up!
Step out the vehicle. Ma'am, don't, be careful. Be careful. Ma'am, just turn off the vehicle. Just put the vehicle in park and turn it off. Put the vehicle in park and turn it off.
I can't believe this crazy lady is trying to start her car and possibly just run from this officer. Let's see what she does.
You were just involved in a car accident up here at the light, right outside the entrance.
You know what? You guys are so fucking wrong.
Okay. Wait.
You're
You
so
can't.
wrong.
I don't want you to hurt yourself. Can you step back into the vehicle?
No.
Okay.
Because my vehicle is not messed up.
Okay. So why did you leave the accident?
And I saw it.
You know where you're at?
Oh, good God!
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get out.
So let me help you. So step back in the vehicle so I can help you. Can you come out the other door?
God almighty. No. I don't.
Ma'am, what's the matter? Turn off the car. Do you have any reverse? Okay, one more time. Back up. Okay, stop it. You can get out there. Turn off put it in park.
She definitely appears to be under the influence of something. I don't know if it's alcohol, but maybe some form of drugs or prescription drugs. There's definitely something going wrong with her.
You should be able to get out there. Okay. What is your name, ma'am?
Tina.
Tina? Okay.
I know. I did it. My car was just so that
Have a
you
seat
know.
right here, please. Have a seat here, right. Tina, have a seat for me here, please. Let me help you out.
You don't understand.
What happened?
My car, no, was just a Mercedes and was messed up. And so that you know, this is not messed up at all. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. This is not messed up. There's nothing that's messed up at all.
Okay, you got damage to the front here. You got a broken side mirror. Okay? You see it? And you also got damage at the light here. Okay?
Listen, I gotta go to my room.
No, you can't go in your house right now, man. I need your information. Ma'am, I need your information.
Why?
Because
Let me go.
can you have a seat? Can you have a seat so I can talk to you?
Give me a minute.
Can you have a seat to talk to me? Don't go in the house right now. Don't go in the house right now. I need to talk to you. Look, you see this lady? You see this lady outside?
Yes.
Do you know her?
Yes, but that is not
so you know.
what I did.
Okay, so talk to me and tell me what happened.
Listen, I'm burning up. You're burning me up.
Okay, are you under any
Stop.
medication right now? Are you under any medication?
Yes.
Okay, so talk to me. Have a seat. I can get you a bottle of water if you're under any medication.
No, I'm on medication right now. I'm having a migraine.
Okay, well,
Stop.
Tina, I need you to talk to me, please.
Please stop.
Okay, I need you to talk to me. You were involved in an accident. You have to talk to me. The lady that's here, all I have to do is do a police report, and then I'll leave you alone. That's it. Okay?
Whatever.
Okay, so if you could just give me your driver's license.
Whatever. I don't have a driver's license.
Why does this woman think that she doesn't have to do what the officer wants her to do?
10-4.
I gotta go.
Okay. You do have a driver's license.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I'm burning up.
Okay. Do you want to get a ticket?
I'm burning up.
Okay.
Please.
Okay. Let me just see
Let
your
me
driver's
go.
license. Let me see your driver's license.
Let me go.
Do you want to tell me what? I'm not even holding you.
Listen.
I'm not holding you. Do you want to
I
tell me what
have
happened?
a massive, damn it. Damn it. I have a massive migraine.
Okay. I just need to see your.
Son of a bitch. God almighty.
Ma'am, you were involved in a car accident.
Thank God. Okay.
All right. So
All
we're gonna cite you. I'm gonna give you a ticket for leaving the accident.
The woman making the complaint has arrived, so let's take a listen to what she has to say to what was going on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hi, I was just calling my dad. I'm okay. I'm going to talk to the police officer, Dad.
Did she hit your car?
She did. Okay. I'll call you back. She
All right.
did. It's okay, but she's flying
Can
high
I see
on
the damages?
something. Yeah, sure.
Was it minor?
Yeah, it's minor. Light at 42nd Way for the turn, the red light, and she ran into me. So it's this, but the main concern
Was her condition? Yeah.
Yes. And, I mean, I videoed it, and the guy behind me, he was videoing, he stayed. He said that he saw her driving recklessly for about a half a mile. She was yelling to go, 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 because the light was green, and she was stepping on the gas as she was kissing the bumper. And it pushed it a little bit. And then she started backing up, and we kept telling her. And, I mean, right now, I'm tense, and, you know, my back feels a little, now, my adrenaline. I had a little panic attack over there.
Yeah,
you know,
and the
this lady's fucking wasted.
Yeah, and the heat doesn't help.
Now she's got a dog. I feel bad for the dog.
Right.
Sorry.
That's okay. You weren't cursing at me.
No. I'm so sorry.
No need to apologize.
My mouth.
So here's the situation.
Yeah. I know.
Because she says she's having a medical episode.
Okay.
And I couldn't, she's like, my medication. I couldn't.
She said I have a video that says she can't see. She can't see.
So I can't really hold her from not going into her house because she made it to her house.
Right.
By the miracle.
Right. Exactly.
Safely. Excuse me for 1 second.
Yes.
It doesn't matter to us. It's up to you if we do a crash report.
I think I want something documented for myself.
Absolutely.
Because this is.
Yeah. So. Hey, bud. What's up? So here's the situation. But it was weird because I thought they sent 2-6 to this accident, but I guess they got another accident. Anyways, I pull up to the scene at the traffic light intersection here. So had to make a U-turn because they were in the westbound lane. As I'm pulling up, this young lady's waving at us and says, "Hey, that's the lady. She's leaving." And she pulls into this development. So I was able to follow her and found her here. So she parks her vehicle. First she parks her vehicle. She's trying to get out of the vehicle, but she parked it really close to the staircase. And she's like, "Oh, I need to get out." I said, "Ma'am, okay, back up your vehicle a little bit." She seems either under the influence of something or having some type of medical condition, wasn't all there. And I said, "Ma'am, I need to talk to you. I need to find out what happened." And she's like, "If you look at my car, I don't have any damage to my car." She's walking around her car. And I said, "Well, I need to talk to you." And I said, "Wait here, why don't you have a seat so we can figure this out?" So this young lady, of course, a few minutes later pulled up. So this is vehicle 1, that's vehicle 2. The lady went in the house, and I was trying to hold her as much as I could, but I was like, man, I can't really, she's parked in her driveway, and she was, like, "I need to get inside, I don't feel good, I'm having something medical," and so she went inside. Miss Anderson! Miss Anderson, come outside, we need to speak with you.
What?
Can you step outside so we can talk to you?
For what?
Come outside. We want to check on you. We want to see if you're okay. Ma'am.
me! Don't let my dog down! Get that dog back inside!
Buddy, come
Get
inside.
in! No! No! Get her inside now! Now!
Oh, he's friendly.
Now! She'll run out into the road and get killed!
No, we got her. We got her. She's not going on.
No! 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 Move!
okay. Stop.
Don't push me!
All right, don't.
Ah! You hurt me! You hurt me!
Yeah.
You hurt me!
We're not hurting
No!
you. We're trying to.
My dog almost died!
Okay.
Please!
Well, your dog is fine now.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Your dog is fine.
Don't do this!
Let's walk
Take
over here.
this bullshit out! No! Hold her! No! Hold her!
He's got her.
Take this
Look,
out.
He's got her. He's gonna bring the dog inside. The dog is
Gotta
fine.
get inside!
Yes, the dog is fine. The dog is. Look, you see, he's inside. Miss Anderson.
You made my lip bleed.
Okay, well, we didn't touch your
You
lip.
made my lip bleed.
We didn't touch. Okay, we didn't touch your lip. What's going on today? Can you tell us what happened?
Yeah, you've made my lip bleed. Take this off. This
No, we're
is
not gonna take
hurting.
these. We're not gonna take these off right now. Till you explain to us what happened. You were driving this vehicle. Tell us what happened up outside on the roadway.
Okay. Let go in a minute. Now tell you what happened.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Alright? Please let this go. You're hurting me.
No, the cuffs
You're
are,
hurting
the cuffs
me.
are fine. The cuffs are fine. They're not tight.
Don't let that dog. No.
Where are you going? Why don't you have a seat on this? Have a seat right here so you can talk to us.
No. Listen
seat.
to me. Listen to
We're
me.
listening to you. Can you tell us what happened?
Listen to me.
Okay.
It was on my Mercedes Benz.
Okay.
Y'all are hurting me.
We're not hurting you.
God damn it.
We're not hurting you.
God damn it. Get this off.
Okay.
This
So
is
what
hurting.
happened? What happened with the Mercedes Benz?
Get this. It's hurting.
What happened with the Mercedes Benz?
Well, let me show you. No. That's just what is done. Just a normal what is done, period. End of story. End of story. End of story.
Okay.
End of story. It's done.
Okay, Victoria, so
Shoot.
I have you at 425.
End of story. Get this off, man. I'm naked. I want to get naked.
1039.
I have a severe migraine.
Okay.
Severe migraine. Take
Have you
this
taken any
off.
medication today?
Take this
No, we're
off.
not taking those off. Have you taken any medication today, Mrs. Anderson?
I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Please. Please. Let me get to my migraine. Please.
Let's walk over to my car.
Oh,
You have better air
I
conditioning in the
can't.
backseat of your car.
It's a pain. It's a pain. It's a pain.
Okay, let's walk. Walk with me.
Oh, good God damn it.
Just walk with me.
Listen,
We got-
don't
we
you
got- we're
let
gonna-
me get my dog.
No, your dog is fine. And we got fire rescue coming to check you out. Okay. Have a seat right here. Have a
All
seat,
right,
please.
just please.
Okay, have a seat.
You make me
Okay.
kill my dog.
No, your dog is fine.
Cars
Put your feet
go
up.
by.
Put your feet up. Put your feet up. Get it-
Ah!
get inside the
You're killing me. I got a migraine. A severe migraine. I got a severe migraine. Please, 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 please. Ah! Ah! I'm fucking dying because of the heat. Because of the heat. Get this out. Get this out. Get this out. Y'all have given me a massive migraine. Massive migraine. I'm going to end up in the hospital.
What happened?
Take this away.
Ma'am.
Well, this is the end of this one. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to. And the like button. And I'll have the next one out soon.